Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to talk about iOS 26 Public Beta 2. I'm testing out iOS 26 Public Beta 2 for last 24 hours, and I want to talk about how this 24 hours went. We'll be talking about the battery life. I will be talking about the performance and camera classic mode switching and more. Let's begin this video. Before talking about the battery life, I want to talk about something. In the notifications, I'll have noticed this thing that when I tap and hold, that the text of the notification lights up as you can see, and it gives a neon. Light up, effect. As you can see, when L will tap and hold, as you can see, one's reminder gives you a light up effect. That looks nice. That looks beautiful design. But I think there is a bit of a more improvement. The next thing is the camera. Look at the current state when we come to this. It's in a reversed state. It looks like we want to scroll this. You have to move your finger to the right and left. Take it, drag it to the right, and this goes to the right. It actually looks like the selector is under your hand. What it used to be like, I don't know about this slow-mo cinematic, video, and so on. It looks like these are rolls that you rotate with your finger. It's exactly the same as scrolling on Mac and Windows. One of them looks like you're grabbing the screen and you're pushing the screen up. The other looks like you're grabbing the selector and you have to drag it down. That's how it is. In the camera, it had changed at the bottom. In the previous beta, it was exactly what I was saying. Nothing changed. I didn't understand the difference. The difference was that now in the camera, we can choose how it works. Classic mode switching. When we turn it on, we go back to the camera. Now these are reversed. It looks like they're under our hand. It's exactly like the Mac model. This change that was made was similar to Windows Capture. Let's get into the battery section. And let's see how the battery performed throughout the day. So I used around 43% of my battery life, as you can see, and I got after 11 hours and 44 minutes, no charging battery, and more screen on time. During this time, I was acting active on Instagram, YouTube, home and lock screen, settings, applications, as you can see. Now for the 43%, 11 hours and 44 minutes is not that impressive. It is decent, it is good, but it is not that impressive. If I go back over here like maybe on this day where I got 43% and you can see the difference 9R, and it was like the beta 1. So it seemed, beta 1 is beta 2 is like, battery is quite low than the beta 1, but again, I believe it's just 24 hours it will get better. So far, battery is decent, but it is not that good as it was in the public beta 1. So I'm expecting it will get better after using it for a couple of more days. Definitely, I will be sharing more results. For example, I am going in Apple Music, and you can see this is like expanded bottom bar. But when I go like this, and usually what happens when I start doing this, like swipe going upwards, it expands again. But now as you can see, it is not expanding. And it will expand when I reach the top. So this is another change. It can be useful being very honest. You can just do this if you want it to expand, but that's another change. So I thought, why not? Just let you guys know. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.